Exterior paint with high solar reflectance can sometimes earn code credits or rebates when specified and documented correctly. When evaluating exterior house painting for energy code, credits focus first on local energy code language and rebate program rules, because eligibility varies widely by jurisdiction and by building type. Measure or obtain the Solar Reflectance Index rating from the manufacturer and confirm that it meets the specific threshold referenced in the code or incentive program. Choose coatings that are certified for high solar reflectance and Solar Reflectance Index for walls or roofs as required, and request laboratory test reports or third-party certificates as proof of performance. Prepare clear documentation including product data sheets, invoice line items showing the high reflectance product, and the test reports so reviewers can verify compliance without needing on-site measurements. When possible, combine the high reflectance finish with insulation improvements and air sealing to increase whole building energy savings and make projects more likely to meet compliance targets. For application, follow manufacturer prep and film thickness recommendations, clean substrates thoroughly, and avoid tinting high reflectance products with pigments that reduce reflectance unless specifically allowed by the certification. Common issues include assuming any light color qualifies, which can lead to denied credits, so always verify the specific Solar Reflectance Index requirement and submit the certified test data to avoid rejection. Another frequent problem is relying on non-certified or modified products, so do not tint or alter a certified coating without new testing, and instead purchase factory-formulated high reflectance coatings to maintain documented performance. A third concern is poor documentation or missing invoices, which can be fixed by keeping a project packet with product technical data sheets, installer invoices, and photos of product labels to provide clear evidence during review. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like high reflectance exterior painting and helps users find local professionals familiar with energy code and rebate procedures. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange project experiences, product references, and documentation tips to make applying for credits smoother.